they gave him, you know what.
Good job, yo. Word, you took that damn corner like a pro.
He said take to the stop sign.
That's right. And then go back to the other parking lot. Job on the turn signal. Well, even though it cut itself off, but don't forget to turn it back on. Wait a minute, you got a car coming. Stop. Just go. Go. Back up. Just go. Back up. There you go. Help you out with that. They came out of nowhere. Alright, you're back and dry. The car literally came out of nowhere. Did you see that?
It was that white car that was just sitting there.
Oh, he finally drove out?
Yeah. He was just sitting there too, and no one got out.
Hope you don't mind. I've been over here recording you driving.
I saw.
That's how I saw the white car. I saw it on the screen. I was like, oh, there's a car coming. You're doing awesome, kiddo. I mean, recording you, you're not even cracking. You're actually driving the same, if not a little better. It's all right.